Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of essential oils for skincare. If you want to truly unlock the potentials of essential oils for a radiant and healthy skin, stick around as I break down 4 biggest mistakes people make when using essential oils on their skin. Essential oils are basically plant extracts. They capture the essence of plant fragrance and benefits. We are talking about essential oils like tea trees and lavender and so many more. They are incredibly potent and can work wonders for various skin concerns, from dryness and inflammation to acne and even aging. Now you might be thinking, if they come from plants, they must be safe, right? Oh well, not always. The truth is essential oils are very, very concentrated. It takes a huge amount of plant materials to produce just a tiny bottle of essential oils. So while they offer amazing benefits, using them incorrectly can lead to irritation, allergic reaction, and even more harm to your skin. That's why I want to share my expertise. As a certified aromatherapist, over my 12 years of practice, I have seen it all, from mild reactions to more serious skin issues, all because people were not using essential oils correctly. The first mistake I see people making is using adulterated essential oils. Now you might be wondering, what is an adulterated essential oils? Basically, it simply means the oil has been tampered with. Because essential oils has become so popular, some companies dilute them with cheaper oils or synthetic fragrances to cut costs. The problem is these added ingredients can irritate your skin, trigger allergic reactions, or simply not deliver the therapeutic benefits you are looking for. Imagine spending your hard-earned money on rose oil only to find out that it's mostly filled with cheap filler. So how can you avoid this? Always buy your essential oils from reputable brands who are transparent about the source of their oils. Look for labels that say 100% pure with Latin names. And don't be afraid to do your research. Always ask suppliers questions. One thing you can always ask the supplier is GCMS report. What is GCMS report? GC means gas chromatography. It's a method of separating the volatile compounds in essential oils into individual components and produce a linear graph that charts these components. MS basically is mass spectrometry, identifies each of these components and their percentage. This process identifies if chemicals are present that shouldn't be there in the oil, or to put it another way, if the essential oils have been adulterated. Additionally, the precise breakdown of the chemical components in each oil given to us by GCMS report is significant because the therapeutic benefits and safety issues of essential oils are, in large part, determined by their chemical makeup. This is a description from Aromatic International. They are my trusted suppliers of essential oils, and this video is not sponsored by them. Remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, then it probably is, because essential oils use large quantity of plant materials. For example, it takes 50 rose flowers to create 1 drop of rose essential oils. How in the world can you buy a 10 milliliter of rose essential oils on Amazon for $18.95, right? Because there are approximately 200 to 300 drops in 10 milliliter. So we are looking at least 10,000 roses to make 10 milliliters of rose essential oils. So can you buy 10,000 roses with $18.95? right? Investing a little extra in high quality essential oils to make a world of difference for your skin's health and your overall well-being, and your skin will thank you for it. Move on to the second mistake, improper dilution. Remember how we talk about essential oils is highly concentrated? Well, that means applying them directly to your skin without diluting them can lead to major irritation, possible sensitization, and even burns. So a little goes a long way with essential oils. How do you dilute them properly? Always mix your essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. For skincare, start with 4 to 5 drops per ounce of carrier oils. You can gradually increase to no more than 10 drops. For spot treatment, you can up to 30 drops can be used. If you have sensitive skin, start with 1 drop. So carrier oils can be, skin nourishing, such as jojoba oil, almond oil, borage seed oil, or red raspberry seed oil, and even aloe vera gel, or even your favorite lotion and potion. So it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to essential oil. Remember, your skin is precious, so treat it with care. So here is a dilution chart for your reference. Third mistake is essential oils have shelf life. Expired essential oils basically are oxidized. Oxidation causes irritation. Essential oils start degrading once extracted. Heat, air, and light exposure causes essential oils to oxidize and lose potency. This process breaks down the beneficial compounds in the oils and even can create harmful free radicals that can damage your skin. So how do you tell if your essential oils are still good to go? First, always check the expiration date. But if there's no date, the good rule of thumb is citrus oils such as lemon last 1 to 2 years. Leaves and needles such as pine, 3 to 5 years. Floral such as rose, 3 to 5 years. Bark, resin, wood, and roots such as sandalwood, 5 to 8 years. Refrigeration is not necessary as long as you keep them in a dark, cool place, but it does extend shelf life since essential oils are quite expensive. The fourth mistake is not using the correct oil for your skin type. Due to its unique chemical components, each oil has different therapeutic properties. Not all essential oils are created equal. Some are more suitable for a certain skin type. For example, if you have sensitive skin, you want to steer clear of tea tree or peppermint oil, or some hot oil such as lemongrass. They can be very harsh for your skin. However, on the other hand, if you are battling acne, tea tree is a great option due to its antimicrobial properties. Just make sure that you dilute them properly before applying to your skin. Also important to know that certain oils such as citrus oil can increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. So the key takeaway here is to know your skin type and choose your essential oils wisely and safely. My next video will be about which essential oils and carrier oils for your skin type. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you will get notice when the video comes out. There you have it, the 4 biggest mistakes to avoid when using essential oils on your skin. Remember, essential oils are powerful tools for enhancing your skin health, but only used correctly. Always do your research, choose high quality essential oils, dilute them properly, pay attention to expiration date, and most importantly, to your skin. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any adverse reactions when using essential oils on your skin? And any tips you may have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.